Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, 2019 ngayon, January 1. Happy New Year sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And to everyone, Happy New Year po. Okay, so one investment na that will last a lifetime. Investment na hindi ka malulugi. Okay? So, it's a different investment. Hindi siya sa stock market, hindi siya sa forex. By the way, mga gusto magpa-quote sa forex investment, message mo ko 0939-5254-311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga, or FB account, Gigi Sunga. Okay? So, pero hindi siya tungkol dyan. Hindi siya tungkol sa stock market, sa co-op, hindi siya tungkol sa mga business, real estate, hindi siya tungkol dyan. So, ang investment that will last a lifetime, that can help you in your life, to improve your life, and also to acquire more finances or wealth, is your personal investment. Okay? So, you have to invest in yourself. Okay? So, marami akong topics about investment. Pero this time around, this 2019, gusto ko na mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. So, how are you going to do that? Paano ba ako mag-invest sa sarili ko, Doc G? Okay? So, number one, invest in your education. So, be it formal or informal education, or education like kasi sa akin, I took up my PhD sa Miriam College. It's a lot of money. I invested a lot of money sa aking education. Pinili ko talaga Miriam College sa Quezon City para dun makagraduate. I remember when I was doing my dissertation, ang hirap na talaga, ang daming perang requirement, ang hirap pa ng pagluwas, ang hirap pang makatapos. Title pa lang ng defense, hirap na ako. Pero sabi ko, I will not give up kasi gusto ko dun galing yung diploma ko. Dr. Gigi Sunga from Miriam College. So, it happened, okay? So, after that, it's an investment na hindi ko pinagsisihan kahit kailan. Hirap na hirap ako, financially, physically, sa kagawa ng research and everything. Pero ngayon naman, inaani naman natin yon. So, that's why I was able to charge ng mahal sa aking fee, coaching fee, mga gusto magpa-coach sa seminar fee, and agad na-promote ako sa school namin after getting my diploma. So, it gives me credibility, and it gives me confidence that I'm from Miriam College and I'm a doctor. Okay? Doctor of Philosophy po. Right? So, that's one investment na hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan. Okay? Hindi ko pinagsisisihan. Okay? Na hanggang ngayon, nagagamit ko. It gives me a lot of money. Diba? So, like, big schools, big universities are inviting me kahit dito lang ako sa Bataan because of that PhD na meron ako from Miriam College. And big corporations are also inviting me because of that 3 letters sa dulo ko. That's PhD and that's investment. Okay? And, ano pa, saan pa tayo pwedeng, ano pa mga investment na pwede natin gawin? Like, you read a lot of books, so you buy books, di ba? So, wag tayong manghinayang sa 500, 1,000 na bibili tayo ng books. Ako po, when I was just starting, I used to buy books talaga. Like, Tony Robbins, ang mahal nung isa niyang book, 1,000 plus ata yun. Stephen Covey, Brian Tracy, international authors, meron tayo niyan, John Maxwell, lahat ng series niya, meron tayo. Mga local authors, marami rin tayo, Chinkitan, Bo Sanchez, halos lahat ng series ng books, lahat ng books nila, meron tayo. So, I'm spending money for that. Pero wala namang problema sa atin kasi nagagamit natin yan, di ba? I'm learning a lot. And that's actually one of the keys kung bakit tayo naging rockstar speaker. Kasi dyan tayo kumukuha ng mga illustrations natin, dyan tayo kumukuha ng mga examples, ng mga sasabihin natin sa tao. So, yung mga principles na, proven principles na ginawa na nila that I'm sharing to my audience. Okay? And what else? Invest in yourself sa, when you are attending seminars, kahit mahal, like this January, meron ako atin na seminars kasi 10 ang speaker, so sayang naman, di ba? Kahit gumastos akong 5,000, I remember when I'm attending seminars sa conference or convention sa Manila, nag-hire pa ako ng driver, may assistant pa ako, attendees lang po ako nila, I'm paying and I'm spending a lot of money for that learning, okay? Iniisip ko kasi, yung matututunan ko doon ay isang bagay, okay, hindi mo kayang bayaran. How to improve myself, di ba? Like ko sinasabi, experience ni Chinkitan, di ba? umattend siya ng seminar ni Zig Ziglar. It cost him a lot of money, pero nakatulong yun sa pagbabago ng buhay niya. Sabi nga natin, sometimes it takes one seminar to change your life. Okay? So, what else? Invest in yourself sa mga pinupuntahan din natin lugar, like we're meeting people, meetings and everything. And when you are buying things, buying stuff for yourself, you are investing for yourself. Parang nire-rebrand mo yung sarili mo. Like, tayo, I'm spending a lot of money sa mga costume ko sa seminar. I'm spending a lot of money sa shoes, bags and everything. So, it's okay kasi para sa akin naman yon. I'm investing that para, para mas ma-brand pa natin sarili natin dun sa gusto kong level. Okay? May gusto kasi akong level na puntahanin as a speaker, as a coach. Okay? And what else? Talking to different people, just investment, di ba? Gaining experience is an investment. Going to different places is an investment. So, doing some tour, travel, so investment yung mga yan. Okay? So, ito yung investment na sinasabi ko. Kasi as nag-investment, kasi you are spending money, and in return, you will gaining different monies. More money, much more money than what you have spent. Okay? Like, ako, nabawi ko na yung sa Miriam College ko. I spent hundreds of thousands, siguro mga 300,000, 400. Pag tinotal mo lahat, almost 500,000 ang nagastos ko sa aking PhD. Pero, nakabawi na tayo, sobra pa. Okay? Sa paggamit ko ng title ko na PhD. Okay? So, delivers, you have to invest in yourself. Kahit simpleng OFW ka lang, simpleng mamamayan ka lang, simpleng empleyado, you have to invest in yourself. Read books, what's different, learning materials, di ba? Attend seminars. Minsan, pag pinapattend tayo ng seminars, ayaw natin, di ba? You have to love seminars. Because seminars are a venue for new ideas, di ba? New things na pwede mong ma-imbibe sa sarili mo to change your life. Okay? So, do you want to change your finances? Ibahin mo muna investment mo ngayon. Mag-invest ka muna sa sarili mo. Okay, so please share this video sa lahat mga kaibigan natin. Kahit OFW dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!